Hey there, what's up? In this video, we're going to be going over 10 plus tips to help you maximize the battery life on your Apple iPhone 16e. Let's go. Welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio, and in this channel, I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, feel free to subscribe. All right, let's jump right in. So I'm going to be giving you 10 plus tips to help you maximize the short-term and long-term battery life of your Apple iPhone 16e. You don't have to use all of these tips simultaneously because they will limit all of the functions of your phone, but you can pick and choose your favorite ones and implement them on a daily basis to maximize the battery. All right, with that said, let's jump right into tip number 1. So tip number 1 is to enable dark mode. Enabling dark mode will make a difference on a daily basis on the battery of your device because darker colors shown on the screen will require less battery drainage on your device. So as you can see, icons will be darker. When you go into settings, everything will be dark here and certain apps will appear darker. You can do this by going into settings, scrolling down to display and brightness, and up here you will see appearance and you will have light mode and dark mode. Just go ahead and select dark mode and you'll be set. So tip number 2 is to control your brightness. So you can do this by swiping down from the top right here. Manually adjust your brightness here. It's recommended to, not always keep your brightness all the way up. I would only use it like this if I'm out in the sunlight. So it's better to keep it towards the middle or below. Also, if you tap and hold on brightness, here you can control dark mode as well. You can also control true tone. So I recommend to enable it. And also I would recommend to enable night shift because night shift will use warmer colors at the certain times that you specify it to, and warmer colors do drain the battery slower as well. Okay, you can also do this by going into settings. Here in settings, once again, scroll down to display and brightness. Here you will have true tone to enable or disable it, and then here you can select night shift, and here is where you can enable it. So enable scheduled and select the time that you want your phone to start using warmer colors at. All right, so moving on to tip number 3, and that is to have your auto lock set to the minimum. Okay, you do this by going into settings. Here in settings, once again, go to display and brightness. And here in brightness, if you scroll down, you will see auto lock. And just make sure that auto lock is set to the minimum time possible. So here it's 30 seconds. That way, your phone will black out the screen faster and not be left on wasting battery during the day when you're not using it. So moving on to tip number 4. And tip number 4 is to enable low power mode. Low power mode will make a huge difference because it will limit many background app processes and it will increase your battery on a daily basis and in the long term. So you do this by going into settings. Here in settings, scroll down to battery. And here in battery, you will see low power mode. Okay, just enable it. And as you can see, low power mode temporarily reduces background activity like downloads, mail fetch, until you can fully charge your phone. So go ahead and enable it. The battery icon will appear yellow when low power mode is turned on. And this will significantly impact your battery in a positive way. So moving on to tip number 5. Tip number 5 is charging optimization. So go to settings. Here in settings, go to battery. Here in battery, you will see charging right here. Go ahead and select it. So make sure optimized battery charging is on. What this will do is that the iPhone has advanced learning capabilities where it will learn your charge routines and it will limit your charging to 100%, past 80% only in certain situations. Okay, studies have shown that charging your battery to a maximum of 80% does help it out in the long term. Another thing you could do is drop your charge limit to 80%. Okay, and what this will do is that it will just charge your phone. It will limit your phone charge to 80% every time. And this is actually what will help your battery most in the long term. So moving on to tip number 6. Tip number 6 is to turn off 5G when not in use. So 5G actually does use a lot more battery than regular 4G or LTE. So you could do this by going into settings, go to cellular. Here in cellular, you're gonna select cellular data options. And here where it says voice and data, go ahead and select LTE. Okay, now LTE is slower than 5G connectivity, but it does drain your battery a lot less. All right, so moving on to tip number 7. So tip number 7 is to use and store your phone in normal temperatures of about 32 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. So extreme climates is not good for the iPhones, for the battery. So in temperatures where it's too hot or too cold, like in a sauna or in in a refrigerator or something, it's not good to keep your phone. It's gonna, damage the battery. That's why, when you leave your phone in your car and it's really hot, it will show the temperature gauge and it will automatically shut off. And this actually damages your battery over time. So make sure you use and store your iPhone 16e in normal temperatures. So moving on to tip number 8, and tip number 8 is that if you're ever gonna not use your iPhone for an extended period of time, if you're gonna store it and put it away, it's good to store it with about 50 to 70% battery life left. So storing your phone with 0 battery, just letting it drain out and die, and storing it like that is bad for your battery over time. It will limit the capacity of the battery in the long term. So another tip that you may want to do is you may want to show your battery percentage at all times. So this is super simple. Just go to settings, go over to battery, and here in battery, just enable battery percentage. Okay, and now you'll always be able to know the exact percentage left on your battery. And another tip is to check the battery health of your device. And you can do this also here in settings, in battery settings. Select battery health, and here it will show you your maximum battery capacity. That is how good your battery is compared to brand new. So if it's at 100%, then you have pretty much a brand new battery like this phone here. Once it starts getting down into the 80s, then your battery has been used for some time and you may start noticing some differences. So moving on to the next tip, and the next tip is to leave Bluetooth and Wi-Fi off when you're not using it. Okay, so I know most of us just go around all day with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on all day. However, this does drain the battery more on a daily basis because it's constantly searching for signals, even though you may not really want to be connecting to Bluetooth at that time. So just go ahead and disable Bluetooth, okay, and only enable Bluetooth when you're actually going to use it. Also for Wi-Fi, if you're out and about in the street, you may want to disable Wi-Fi, and it's not going to be constantly searching for signals. And for the final bonus tip, this tip is going to be to keep notifications silenced, or at least to only show notifications when your screen is unlocked like this. Because if you leave notifications on all the time, even if your phone is resting like this, it's always going to be constantly bombarded with notifications, and that does drain the battery of your iPhone 16e. So how you do this is you go to settings, scroll down to notifications, and here in notifications you could just make sure that everything is set to off. So scheduled summary off, show previews never, screen sharing notifications off. Okay, so just make sure that they're all off. Like I said, if this is too much and you need certain notifications, then select show previews and select here when unlocked. Okay, that way it will show you notifications when your phone is unlocked like this, but it's not going to be showing all the app notifications when your phone is resting. All right, everyone, so those are 10 plus tips to consider to help you maximize the battery life of your Apple iPhone 16e. Go ahead and hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and comment down below and let me know which one of these tips you will be implementing. That's all for this video. Catch you in the next one. And as always, peace.